Hello, my name is MIG. I am a professional bomberman, and we got an email from Offtown in Corfu Island, Greece. So I wouldn't be so professional if I wouldn't find out what is it, Offtown. Wow, what a nice view in Offtown! Wow, what a nice place out there! Such a beautiful view! Oh, and also changes right here, like a miracle. So let's go to the main step, what we have to destroy, slime from Offtown in Greece. And it was so powerful, so colorful, so great explosion we had, yes? Yeah, of course, we had later on, we had such a long time by cleaning all this stuff, but it's okay. This explosion was one of the greatest and the biggest one. So, Offtown from Greece goes to the first place in our table. So, if you want to send a request for us to destroy your thing, so just subscribe our channel, send us an email, and we will take care of all of this plan to destroy your thing. So just please subscribe us our channels on TikTok, on Instagram, and hear full videos on YouTube, and you will see much more videos of many explosion things. So at this time, I think I'm going to Greece, to Offtown, and see you in 1 week. See ya!
And remember, don't try this at home.